Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple CarPlay if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, first just head into the Settings app on your iPhone, and we're first just going to toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your cell signal and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Just wait for a few seconds and turn it back off. See if this reinitiates everything and connects to your car's Apple CarPlay. However, if that doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is scroll down from here and tap on General. Now, a lot of times a VPN can mess up with your CarPlay, so let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on VPN and device management. If you have a VPN turned on, I would recommend turning it off and seeing if that helps you connect to your car's CarPlay. Now you can see mine is turned off, so I'm good to go in that regard, but let me go back to the very beginning and let's check the vocal shortcuts under accessibility. This sometimes can cause issues as well. So scroll down from the beginning of your settings and you'll be able to see accessibility. Just tap on that. And now from here, we're going to scroll down until we find vocal shortcuts. It's usually towards the bottom there. There it is right there. Just tap on that. If this is turned on, it causes all sorts of issues with CarPlay and the audio because it's constantly listening in for vocal shortcuts. So make sure to turn that off. Now, after you've done that, let's again go back to the beginning of your settings and find your Apple CarPlay settings, and maybe we need to reset or change a couple of things. So from the beginning of your settings, we can tap on General here, and then we're going to scroll down until you find here is CarPlay. Just tap on that. Now, it says set up wireless CarPlay, and you should be able to see under My Car is Your Car. In this case, My Car, a Grenadier. So if I tap on that, one option is to toggle this off for a few seconds and then toggle it back on. However, if that doesn't work for you, let's just tap on Forget This Car and then choose to forget it. Now, it works for me, so I'm not going to forget it, but just tap on Forget and then go back and go through the process of setting it up again. Again, all you need to do is press that little voice command button on your car, and then it will automatically register and connect to your Apple iPhone. Now, if you go through these steps and it still doesn't work, let's go back to the beginning, and a troubleshooting step is tap on Bluetooth and make sure, of course, this is turned on. This sounds simple, but this is how your phone connects to your car. If it is through wireless CarPlay, it's through Bluetooth. So if that is off, make sure it is turned on. Or if it doesn't have wireless CarPlay, you might need to physically connect a USB-C cable from your iPhone over to the car. If you go through all these steps, but it still doesn't work, on the iPhone, let's go back to the beginning of your settings again and tap on where it says General right here. And now we'll scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see on your phone, Transfer or Reset iPhone. We're going to choose that option. And then you'll be able to see here it says Reset. Let's just tap on that. Let's choose to reset your network settings. This resets all those network settings, including the connection between your iPhone and your Apple CarPlay on your car. So just tap on Reset Network Settings, enter in the passcode, and that will restart your phone at the same time. I would recommend while it's going through that process, make sure it does restart your phone, but also you might want to restart your car as well so that they're both just refreshed and you can reconnect at that point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.